Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the PowerWash Simulator 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in PowerWash Simulator to begin your search. Once you find the PowerWash Simulator 2 game, you can just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Download or Add to Library button if you wish to play the demo version before purchasing the full game. You can then click on the Add to Cart button to continue towards your purchase. Now, when you click on the Continue to Payment button, you will have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials as well as your billing information. Then, once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you may start enjoying the PowerWash Simulator game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the PowerWash Simulator 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.